Hello all, today we'll show you a tutorial how to make this color fading effect or attribute. It can be applied for the shader nodes or geometry nodes and so on. I have just simple empty. It will be working with the geometry proximity node to get this point location. Okay, we'll add the plane, going to geometry nodes, add grid node, select 20 meters and 100 vertices. Now we'll add empty node. To work with geometry proximity node, I need get add point and get this point location. And geometry proximity node, add okay, and get this point. Let's check if it works. Yeah, it works. Now we need add map range node and switch the values from 0 to 1. Okay, now we add simulation node. Add map node. And result from map ranger connect here, and here we switch to the maximum, and let's check the values. Yes, and it's working. Now we need add fading. For that I will duplicate maximum node and switch to the multiplier, and our value will work as how strong will the fading effect happens. If we want this attribute go to the shader node, for that we add store named attribute, value connect here, and name it as mix. And here we need as well add set material node. Let's make material for this node and call it mix. And here select mix. Going to the shader node. Add attribute node and call it mix. Add color mix. Connect the factor to the factor. And for examples, here we select red and here we select green, and it's working. We can add to the roughness, metallic or emission node or other things.